So hello. Wanted to say it's morning, but it's not. It's actually evening, so I have to say good afternoon. So after the adventurous trip to Tanzania, I've returned to Europe, to Central Europe, and I'm now embarking in a small or a short trip, also to some places which require a plane. But this time it won't be as adventurous, even though there might be some places where I haven't been yet. I'm forced to use the phone recording this because I'm limited to the light available when I'm using my small action camera. It doesn't record well when it's dark, and since it's almost evening, it's late afternoon, the light conditions are gonna get bad, so I'm trying to see what I can film this late afternoon evening. It won't be that much, but first leg of my trip is gonna be just a train and a bus ride to the airport, because only tomorrow morning I have my flight, but I won't be able to make it in time, or the risk is very high to not get in time if I leave 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. So I'm gonna get to the hotel airport and spend my night there. So here we go. This is 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Again, too much luggage. And now I just have to figure out which number it was. I think it was number 5. Otherwise looks completely different. But I tried this one. So I arrived. Now just need to get there. Let's see. I see the hotel, the sign over there. Oh, by the way, I'm at Stuttgart Airport in Germany. So I guess I have to walk this way. Okay, there is the airport. There is the hotel. It's not far away. So, 5th floor. So, I arrived. It's a nice room. Very clean. I don't know why the window is open and minibar, but it is. So let's check out the Small, but very well taken care of, really. So I arrived at the hotel room, and it's time for me to wind down. Not much of a trip, or well, not much to see actually today, because it gets dark at around 5. That is something I really wish wouldn't happen during the winter time in Europe, in Central Europe. But this is how it is. So I took like a 3.5 hour ride, a bus ride, came into the airport, which is also under construction, I think, or parts of it at least. Took like 10 minutes to get the hotel, even though I was literally 2 minutes away. But yeah, nice room, and I'm gonna continue tomorrow my journey. So I'm gonna fly from Stuttgart into Warsaw. The very first time for me in Poland, but I'm gonna have just a short switch of planes there. I'm gonna spend only 2 hours, so let's see what I can do during transit in 2 hours in Warsaw. Yeah, I definitely want to visit Warsaw as a city and spend a couple of days there, but not this time. See you tomorrow.